The sun is the center of our solar system. As a giant ball of plasma, it's pretty hard to miss him. In its 30 million degree center, you would see hydrogen fuse into helium and release energy. Magnetic fields cause solar flares and coronal mass ejections, and particles from these bursts damage electronic connections. It's 100 times as wide as Earth and 3 million miles far. And despite all of this, it's just an average-sized star. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, they're the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, they're made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and as such it takes the least time to run around its orbit. Its year is only 88 Earth days, and the solar wind means that little gas stays on its rocky surface, barren and full of craters. With no atmosphere, its temperature wavers from 800 Fahrenheit to minus 300 at night, but there is still some ice in craters away from the light. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, they're the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, they're made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It's the same size as Earth, give or take some. Venus is covered in a thick layer of clouds made of carbon dioxide, which in effect shrouds the planet from losing heat like a giant blanket, so it's 900 degrees due to the greenhouse effect. It's covered with volcanoes and is shaped by their powers, and the only probes that ever landed died within 2 hours. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, they're the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, they're made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. I got a feeling you're familiar with this one. It's the only planet known to have had life in its history, though just how life started is still a bit of a mystery. 4 billion years ago, 2 protoplanets collided, and our moon was formed when collision debris united Earth in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot nor too cold for liquid water to exist and life as we know it to take hold. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, they're the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, they're made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun, and it's the place where our voyage to other planets has begun. The surface is covered with red iron oxide, much of the atmosphere is blown away with no magnetic field inside. Early astronomers saw canals everywhere, and they thought perhaps aliens had put them there. Thanks to telescopes, orbiters, and rovers, we now know that there are no such alien canals, although rivers, deltas, volcanoes, and canyons abound. There's little water left of life on Mars can still be found, so we sent spacecraft there like Curiosity to try and understand Mars' geologic history. Between the inner planets and outer planets, there are billions of asteroids orbiting in a belt around our star. Sometimes they are knocked out of their stable orbit, and a few might collide with Earth if they don't avoid it. Why the belt? Well, it has to do with Jupiter, you see. It pulls on the belt with its massive gravity, preventing asteroids from forming into another planet. But don't worry, a big one can't hit Earth soon, or can it? Jupiter's the 5th planet. It's the largest one, bigger than all the others combined, but only 1,000th the sun. It's a gas giant, so it has no ground on which to stand, but that doesn't mean its surface is bland. The Great Red Spot is a giant cyclone on its surface. It's centuries old and huge, bigger than the Earth is. There are 4 moons that with binoculars you can see. Discovered in 1610 by Galileo Galilei. Io has volcanoes heated by the friction of its tide, and Europa is covered in ice with an ocean inside. Ganymede is the largest moon we know exists, and Callisto is covered in craters from the asteroids it hits. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. In terms of beauty, I'd say its rings have clearly won. They're made of bits of ice and rock orbiting through the void, and they may have been formed when a moon was destroyed. Saturn is the least dense of any planet known, and the most of late its centrifugal force is really shown. Titan has methane lakes and a thick orange haze, and Enceladus has water in liquid phase. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun, and dirty jokes about its name are deserving of shun. Not much is known about Uranus or its brother Neptune, because Voyager 2 is the only craft to ever go to them. Uranus has rings, though not as great as Saturn's, and it's usually devoid of any interesting patterns. There's not much more about this place which I can say, but hopefully we'll send a new spacecraft there someday. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Neptune is the 8th and final planet from our star. The sun's 0.1% is bright because it is so far. It's similar to Uranus in mass, size, and composition, and Uranus's orbit predicted its position. You may have noticed Neptune is a bright blue. The methane in its atmosphere gives Neptune a 2. It's the windiest with 1,000-mile-per-hour gusts, and Triton is liquid nitrogen spewing from its crust. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made of hydrogen and helium gas like blue. The 9th planet was Pluto, but it's a planet no more because it's too small. It's a dwarf planet, but this topic sore. The planets orbit close to a plane, but Pluto does not, and more dwarf planets were found. That's what got this topic hot. Pluto's big moon Charon is Pluto's little brother, so big that Pluto and Charon orbit one another. Beyond the Kuiper belt is the Oort cloud, and that's where debris from our star's formation can be found. Our sun and the planets like Earth and Mars are not alone, just look at the stars. You see, most stars have their own collection of bodies. That is what the search for exoplanet studies. There are far more stars up there than you can see. 300 billion in our galaxy, and there are hundreds of billions of galaxies that we know. So think about how small you are down here below.
I'm a star called the sun. I'm the center of our solar system. You revolve around me as we fly around the galaxy. All of the planets in our solar system, they orbit while they follow me. 230 million years is the time I take to fly around the Milky Way galaxy. I don't have a solid surface, I'm made up of gases held together by my own gravity. I'm made of 92.1% hydrogen H2 and 7.8% helium He. I'm a star called the sun. I'm the center of our solar system. You revolve around me as we fly around the galaxy. My core is 25% of my total mass and 27 million degrees. My energy is the reason there is life on Earth. There'll be no charge cause I'm totally free. My mass makes up 99.8% of our solar system. Nothing in our system's hot as me. I'm a star called the sun. I'm the center of our solar system. You revolve around me as we fly around the galaxy. Let's fly, 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 let's fly. I am the first planet from the sun you see. My name is Mercury, nothing orbits faster than me. The smallest planet with the second hottest degree. My name is Mercury, no one is smaller than me. Messenger of the gods is what Mercury means. The Romans gave me my name cause I'm the fastest they'd seen. A bit bigger I be than the Earth's moon that you see. To fill the Earth one time, it would take 18 of me. I am the first planet from our sun that beams, but I'm the second hottest. I can reach 800 degrees. 88 Earth days is the second hottest degree. My name is Mercury, no one is smaller than me. 59 Earth days equals 1 day on me. My surface is made of stone, covered in craters you see. Oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium make up my exosphere. I have no moons and I have no rings, but I'm the second densest planet amongst other things. I am the first planet from the sun you see. My name is Mercury, nothing orbits faster than me. The smallest planet with the second hottest degree. My name is Mercury, no one is smaller than me. I am Venus, I'm the second planet from the sun, and I'm the slowest rotating one of all the planets in our solar system. Now learn and have some fun. 245 Earth days is how long it takes for me to orbit the sun. That's 1 year, make no mistake. I'm 900 degrees, yeah, that's Fahrenheit. I'm the hottest planet in the solar system, that's right. The sun sets in my east and comes up in my west. Due to retrograde rotation, I spin backwards the best. I'm the third brightest object to the naked eye from the planet of Earth when you look up in the sky. I am Venus, I'm the second planet from the sun, and I'm the slowest rotating one of all the planets in our solar system. Now learn and have some fun. Carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid clouds is what makes up my atmosphere, and for this I am very proud. Volcanoes, mountains, craters, and some big lava plains are what make up my bumpy surface, and my clouds make no rain. I was named Venus after the goddess of love. The Romans gave me my name due to my brightness above. I am Venus, I'm the second planet from the sun, and I'm the slowest rotating one of all the planets in our solar system. Now learn and have some fun. I am the Earth, the only planet with organic life. With 8.7 million species, we all fight to survive. You all live on me, so work like bees in a hive, and keep this planet really healthy so that we can all thrive. My atmosphere is 78% nitrogen, another 21% of it is oxygen, and other small percentages of other elements. Without my atmosphere around, you would be frozen. I take 365 Earth days to orbit the sun. 24 hours makes 1 day, that's just 1 time that I'm spun. You won't fly off into space, gravity's pulling you down as fast as 9.8 meters a second towards the ground. I am the Earth, the only planet with organic see one half of my surface, whether it's day or night. It's believed I was created 4.5 billion years ago. When a Mars-sized body collided with Earth, their debris formed me real slow. Meteors, asteroids, and comets struck my surface for a billion years, due to the fact that they don't burn up in my thin atmosphere. If you wonder what a moon is, it's a natural satellite, one that orbits a single planet. The planet orbits a star so bright. Scientific observations were first made in 1610 by Galileo Galilei, the astronomer Italian. On the moon, Earth's natural satellite, I rotate the same speed as the Earth, and I'm a natural source of light. On the moon, my appearance is gray and white. You only see one half of my surface, whether it's day or night. When the Earth spins on its axis, ocean levels stay the same. Then the moon's gravitational pull creates the tides that we see change. 238,900 miles from the Earth is the distance measured when the first spaceship landed on my turf. The reason you see one half of my surface all the time is because my rotation's the same speed as the Earth taught in this rhyme. It takes 27 Earth days for me to rotate once around. There is no air on my surface, so you won't hear any sound. On the moon, Earth's natural satellite, I rotate the same speed as the Earth, and I'm a natural source of light. On the moon, my appearance is gray and white. You only see one half of my surface, whether it's day or night. Let's visit the planet of Mars. There's so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. On the fourth planet from our burning sun, and the second smallest planet in our solar system, I have the tallest mountain named Olympus Mons. It's the tallest mountain in the whole system. Phobos and Deimos are my two moons. Phobos is larger of the orbiting two. It circles me 3 times a day, and that's true, but it takes 30 hours for Deimos to loop. Let's visit the planet of Mars. There's so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. I am red in color due to iron oxide. Oxidized iron does rust when it dries. My diameter, or so the humans think, is 4,220 unless I shrink. My axis tilts at 25 degrees. If you're on my surface, then you'll probably freeze. I am a cold negative 81 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius, if you please. Let's visit the planet of Mars. There's so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. Let's visit the planet of Mars. There's so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. I am Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet, the closest dwarf to the sun, the star that we orbit. Yeah, I am Ceres, I'm in the asteroid belt. Between Jupiter and Mars is where my presence is felt. I was spotted for the first time in 1801 by Giuseppe Piazzi, the Sicilian. I was named after the goddess of agriculture. The Romans gave me my name in their time and culture. I am the smallest orbiting planet in our solar system. It takes 4.6 years for me to go around our sun. I am Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet, the closest dwarf to the sun, the star that we orbit. Yeah, I am Ceres, I'm in the asteroid belt. Between Jupiter and Mars is where my presence is felt. NASA's exploring me with with a space probe named Dawn, and found a crater named Arcadia that had bright spots on. Nobody really knows why those spots are there, what they're from, but with all these scientists I'm sure the answer will come. In 2006 my status changed to a dwarf. Before that I was a planet and I was an asteroid. I am Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet, the closest dwarf to the sun, the star that we orbit. Yeah, I am Ceres, I'm in the asteroid belt. Between Jupiter and Mars is where my presence is felt. My name is Jupiter, the biggest planet you see. No planet in our solar system is bigger than me. My name is Jupiter, a windy planet I be, and I have 79 moons that rotate round me so free. The Romans gave me my name after their king of the gods, because my size is so massive in the sea of the stars. Callisto, Europa, Ganymede, I'm my 4 biggest moons found by Galileo. I'm the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. 10 hours equals 1 day, my days as short as they come. It takes 12 Earth years for me to orbit the sun. That makes 1 year on my surface, that's a really long run. My name is Jupiter, the biggest planet you see. No planet in our solar system is bigger than me. My name is Jupiter, a windy planet I be, and I have 79 moons that rotate round me so free. 89,000 miles is the amount that I'm wide. I'm so big you could fit 1,000 Earths inside. I've got a giant red spot, it is a raging storm. Scientists think 400 years ago is when it took form. Hydrogen and helium make up most of my atmosphere. I am a gas giant in an impressive sphere. 3.13 is the amount of degrees that I tilt on my axis. Let's sing the chorus, please. My name is Jupiter, the biggest planet you see. No planet in our solar system is bigger than me. My name is Jupiter, a windy planet I be, and I have 79 moons that rotate round me so free. If I were 80 times more massive, I would have become a star, because I'm made of the same elements as the sun. How bizarre! That much mass would cause the pressure and temperature within me to cause hydrogen to fuse with helium, creating energy. My gravity's 2.4 times more than Earth, so what does that mean? Weighing 100 pounds on Earth is 240 pounds on me. My name is Jupiter, the biggest planet you see. No planet in our solar system is bigger than me. My name is Jupiter, a windy planet I be, and I have 79 moons that rotate round me so free. Saturn, the 6th planet from the sun. I'm known for my rings by everyone. I'm the 2nd largest planet in our solar system. Please come sing along until my teachings are done. Out of my 82 moons, 53 are named. I am a gas giant, all astronomers claim. 36,184 is my radius in miles for you to explore. 10.44 meters, that's per second you drop. That's my gravity pulling towards my surface top. 10 hours and 39 minutes long is a day on my surface. Let's sing this song. I am Saturn, the 6th planet from the sun. I'm known for my rings by everyone. I'm the 2nd largest planet in our solar system. Please come sing along until my teachings are done. Takes 29 years for me to orbit the sun, and my rings are made up of rock and icy chunks. 886 million miles away is my distance from the sun. sun, that is why I chile. Hydrogen and helium are what I'm mostly made of, and my atmosphere from the surface above. 26.7 is the amount of degrees to spin on my axis. I'm so cold that you freeze. I am Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun. I'm known for my rings by everyone. I'm the second largest planet in our solar system. Please come sing along until my teachings are done. I am Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun. I'm known for my rings by everyone. I'm the second largest planet in our solar system. Please come sing along until my teachings are done. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings. Now come sing along and learn about me. Oh, I am Uranus, the seventh planet from the sun. About 17 hours is just one day on me. I have 27 moons named after Shakespeare characters, and I have 13 rings that you can clearly see. About 84 Earth years makes just one Uranian year, and my seasons last about 20 years each. Negative 350 is my average degree, and William Herschel did discover me. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings. Now come sing along and learn about me. About 1.8 billion miles is my distance from the sun, and I am an icy giant, it's so cold on me. My atmosphere is mostly made up of the following three: hydrogen, methane, and helium HE. The tilt of my axis is at 98 degrees. It's one of the steepest tilts in our galaxy. Most of my mass is made up of the following three: water, methane, and ammonia, and H3. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings. Now come sing along and learn about me. 31,500 miles is the diameter of me. That's 4 times the diameter of the Earth you see. I was named Uranus after the Greek sky deity. My blue-green colors from the atmosphere on me. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings. Now come sing along and learn about me. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings. Now come sing along and learn about me. My name is Neptune, the 8th planet from our burning sun. I've got 6 rings made of dust and some rocky chunks. I got my name from the Romans, it means God of the sea. My upper atmosphere has methane, that's why I have blue on me. Hydrogen and helium are the rest of my atmosphere. I have 13 moons with one still waiting to confirm it's here. Minus 392 degrees, an average day on me, and my winds are the strongest than any planet in our system. See, my name is Neptune, the 8th planet from our burning sun. I've got 6 rings made of dust and some rocky chunks. About 165 Earth years makes one Neptunian year. 57.7 Earths could fit in my giant sphere. 2.8 billion miles is my distance from our sun. One day on me is about 16 Earth hours of cold fun. No life as we know it could survive on me. I'm the 4th largest planet in our system, you'd have to agree. My name is Neptune, the 8th planet from our burning sun. I've got 6 rings made of dust and some rocky chunks. My name is Pluto, an ex-planet of the solar system. I've been demoted to dwarf planet status, so please listen. I used to be the 9th planet in our solar system, but didn't meet the 3 criteria the IAU had written. 1. A planet must be in orbit around our sun. 2 has the mass to assume hydrostatic equilibrium. 3 it has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit, and that is the reason that I am now a dwarf planet, son. My name is Pluto, an ex-planet of the solar system. I've been demoted to dwarf planet status, so please listen. I was discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh. He worked as an astronomer from Lowell Observatory in Arizona. I was named Pluto by an 11-year-old girl named Venetia Burney. Pluto was the Roman god of the underworld. Astronomers recently found I'm the biggest dwarf planet around. 736.3 is my radius, and I'm brown. My name is Pluto, an ex-planet of the solar system. I've been demoted to dwarf planet status, so please listen. Maybe the IAU will reverse my status to a planet, but for now I'm happy being a dwarf planet, so there you have it. My name's Jaime. I am the 3rd dwarf from the sun. I am oval in shape due to the fast rotations I'm spun. My name's Jaime. I was discovered in 2003 in Spain by the Sierra Nevada Observatory. My first nickname was Santa before the IAU named me. 2008 they changed me to dwarf status officially. Yeah, I am oval, it's because I rotate at a high speed. One of our system's fastest rotating large objects I be. My name Amaya comes from the Hawaiian culture, you see. It means goddess of childbirth and fertility. My name's Amaya. I am the 3rd dwarf from the sun. I am oval in shape due to the fast rotations I'm spun. I have 2 moons, Hayaka and Namaka, orbiting me. Namaka is the smaller, Hayaka is large and icy. 3.9 hours makes just 1 day on my rocky surface. I take 285 Earth years to make 1 orbit. My surface is believed to have a thin but icy coating. Yeah, I'm unique to other dwarf planets, I am gloating. I'm Hameya. I am the 3rd dwarf from the sun. I am oval in shape due to the fast rotations I'm spun. I'm Maki, I was named by the human race. I'm the 3rd largest dwarf planet in outer space, and my color is red, and I have no atmosphere. Have you noticed my shape? I am a perfect sphere. On March 31st in 2005 is when the Palomar Observatory brought me to life. Easter Bunny was my name when they discovered me. 2008 the IAU confirmed me officially. They also gave me the name that remains Maki, which was a Rapa Nui god of fertility. I have no natural satellites that orbit around me. Negative 239 is my average degree. I'm Maki, I was named by the human race. I'm the 3rd largest dwarf planet in outer space, and my color is red, and I have no atmosphere. Have you noticed my shape? I am a perfect sphere. Molecules named tholins are thought to exist on me. They're formed when ultraviolet light interacts with anything you see. These molecules make me the reddish brown color I be. No space probes have visited me, no missions have been deployed. I orbit outside of Neptune, which means that I'm a Plutoid. I'm found inside the Kuiper belt with comets and the asteroids. I'm Maki, I was named by the human race. I'm the 3rd largest dwarf planet in outer space, and my color is red, and I have no atmosphere. Have you noticed my shape? I am a perfect sphere. My name is Eris. I am a dwarf planet, the furthest dwarf from the sun the humans found yet. On January 5th in 2005, the KLTRR Observatory
you'd have